Hello there. Welcome to my world.
I shouldn't be laughing because
Hey?
you're gonna hear me how I'm laughing.
So
Just ignore it.
yeah, last we left you, we were driving to Haast, and now we're leaving Haast campsite, and we're on our way to the blue pools. And I think that they're going to be pretty damn blue because we've just pulled over to the side of the road. Here. Look how blue that is. Oh yeah, this is the stuff. Yeah, well, we got to get going. We still got to make it to the blue pools, but it's so hard, you know. You aim to be somewhere on time, but you got to just keep pulling over because of just scenery, man. Like South Island, turning it on. Righto.
It's a mystery that we never took a chance.
Camera's all good.
Oh.
Just had a heart attack. The camera was sitting on the bench here and we started driving and it slid off and there was a loud crash.
Yeah.
Alright, we're all good?
All good.
We're all good.
Just got so many things.
I know, let's go. We've got too much crap. Look, you can see down here, we're charging everything. You can see the drone batteries, the camera battery, got a charge port there. Just got crap everywhere, man.
Then I have here the battery for the camera, for the phones, for this I have the charger too, everything.
Let's go?
Let's go. It's a B.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Hit it.
Yeah!
Looking at you and you're looking at me, and all of a sudden it rains over me. All we ever wanted was
Just grabbing the stuff we need. We've got the dome in case we go in the water, the GoPro, and maybe the drone. Hopefully we can get some drone footage, I don't know. Probably not. Just like you can't fly everywhere around New Zealand. Cool. Let's lock up. So we're on our way and we just seen a drone. I mean, not a drone, we just seen a sign saying no drones in this area for the blue pools. So we'll see what shots we can get on this bad boy right here in front of me.
Bad boy, bad boy, bad boy. What you gonna do?
So if you come into the blue pools, there's two different parks. If you're coming from Haast way, there's a car park there, but then you have to walk all the way down to the next car park and then another 30-minute walk to the blue pools. But if you go to the second car park, you're straight on the track straight away, and then it's just a 30-minute walk, probably smash it over in 20 to the blue pools.
sun shines on my bedroom wall, and today is the day, the start of it all. It's true. I wanna be more like you.
Here we go.
Oh yeah, you really made me see that a life without hope, a life without dreams ain't good. I wanna be more like you. I wanna be more like
got this.
you.
The camera wants to jump. Oh my gosh. Angie, I tried to stop him. No, okay, I didn't know. He'll be alright. No, it's girls jumping too, but no, I'm not jumping there. Oh my gosh, no. I mean more.
And so the sun shines on my bedroom wall, and today is the day, it's the start of it all. It's true. I wanna be more like you. Oh yeah, you really made me see that.
What? I'm not bloody jumping. Oh no, no way. No, I'm gonna go down. I'm gonna get slowly in the water. Yeah, that's my plan.
Time for sleeping. I left that behind. It's time for fun. I'm sorry, it's time to move on. So I even bother. Sometimes it's great letting go. I left my lazy side, and I can never turn back again. I'm sorry, it's time to grow up.
This is unbelievable.
Sun shines on my bedroom wall, and today's the day. It's the start of it all. It's true. I wanna be more like you. Oh yeah, you really made me see that a life without hope, a life without dreams ain't good. I wanna be more like you. I wanna be more like you.
We just dropped the GoPro. It's coming, cars. Wait, is no one coming?
Please be okay, please be okay.
Oh my gosh. Oh, I think he got it.
Oh, thank God. Got it. Woo. You're still recording, aren't you? Son of a... Such an adventure. I'm going on an adventure. Got it.
Oh my god.
Still recording.
Is it?
Yeah.
Let me see.
The entire time.
Oh my gosh.
GoPro turn off. So, we've just rocked up in Wanaka and it looks like a really pleasant place, so I think we're going to stay here for an extra night, because originally we had planned to wake up at 4 in the morning to go on some trek for the sunrise to get some awesome shots with the drone, but because we're so drained from today and because this place looks quite lovely, I think we're going to stay here an extra night. So do the earlier morning, not tomorrow but the next day. So just have a chilled day tomorrow here in Wanaka. Ah, I forgot to show you the damage on the GoPro. It actually took, we were going pretty fast and took a little chip. Don't know if you can see that there. A little chip off the top there, grazed it there. But other than that, I still got the memory card, still works. I think we're all sweet. Yeah, I'm gonna have a look at the footage now. Yeah. Oh, well, it's gonna be in this video. The footage, yeah. I knew one day it would fall off. The amount of times that I've put it up, and this keeps actually turning on and turning off by itself. That's weird. Anyway, yeah. Peace. We'll see you guys in the next video. Subscribe.
Shines on my bedroom wall, and today is the day.
us. Woo. Here I am at Blue Pools. Gonna jump down. Oh, you guys nothing, huh? Love you me more.
I love you more.
Oh, here we go.
Ay! Ay, ay, ay. Alright, he's okay.
It's freezing!